Hey everybody, and welcome back to another Home with Tracy video. Today we're actually going to be going to Hobby Lobby because I've been meaning to get by there now for a month at least, and I hadn't gotten by there yet. So I want to go by, check out the new spring decor, kind of look and see what else they got. Plus y'all, I'm on the hunt for a table. Let me explain real quick. So there is a table that I ordered from Amazon. When I put it together, it was broke. It's to go and live right here. It's a small round table because I'm tired of sitting my stuff on the floor. This is my favorite chair in the whole entire world, and I wanted a little table for here. I found the perfect one on Amazon. It was perfect, except it wasn't. It had a crack in it. I'm assuming somebody returned it, or maybe it just broke in shipping, I don't know. But it had a huge crack, so when you put the pole into the base, it sat crooked. So it won't work. So I had to send that one back. With that, I'm still on the hunt for another table. I don't know if I'm gonna order another one online. I still have been looking in stores, and I know Hobby Lobby has some little tables, so I'm gonna see what they have as far as that goes. And I think there's a TJ Maxx near where we're gonna be. So if there's a TJ Maxx by the Hobby Lobby or a Ross, I don't know. We're gonna do a little bit of shoppy shop. First stop, Hobby Lobby. Okay, that's cute bar stools. Sorry. You too. They're kind of cute. How precious are these bowls right here? I love those. And these two? Oh my gosh, I love that. Oh look, they got the little fake grass for your runner. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. And I wouldn't probably do these, but I would definitely do a runner. I'm not big into placemats, although it would definitely save your table. That's something I probably should do. What are these? Oh, it's an Easter egg. And a bunny. They're cute. I love these. Anything with pink. I do like those. Oh my gosh, y'all. Look at that little plate. These are really nice serving dishes. Oh my gosh, I need a new deviled egg container, but not an egg-shaped one. But I do need a new one. I do. Look at those tumblers. Oh my goodness, what? What in the world? I love that one too. These are precious. Do we need Easter plates? Probably not, but I do like them. Ooh, I love this. You could put that on the fireplace. I like that. Okay, so I'm feeling like we're coming to the end of the Easter stuff, and I'm only on the second aisle because you turn around and it's 4th of July. What? Now down here they have a few more things. That's cute, but
Tanisha, to your eraser, please. Tanisha, to your eraser.
oh, that's precious. Oh. Okay, so has anybody seen the whole goose trend? You buy the goose and you buy different outfits. So now I guess they're just trying to sell them already dressed. I want to see if they have one here. They probably don't, but I think this is where people were buying it. But I'm honestly not sure. But you dress the goose up. You put it on your front porch as a porch goose, and you change the outfits. You can put, animal clothes on them, whatever, buy them outfits. It's kind of funny. I was like, okay, do I want a porch goose? Not this one, but do I want one? They do have a little bunny blanket if you're wanting one of those. These are cute if you're into like wanting a letter glass. If your name starts with A, they have tons. Let's see. It's always hard to find my initial. Oh, is that? Yeah. There's one with my initial, but I would prefer this color. tons of tumblers if you need a new one. Oh, here's more. I mean, that color is pretty. I'm not gonna say it's not. Okay, I wouldn't want this one per se, but I do want some of these glasses right here, but not that one. And that's the only one they got. Okay. They have a lot of summer stuff out. I'm not showing all the summer stuff because I'll make that for another video. I'm trying to find just spring stuff, but they don't have a huge selection. A lot smaller than I thought. They have some little tablecloths.
Make your home feel fresh and inviting with our
Okay, that was a bust. They really didn't have anything inside of Hobby Lobby. So now the next stop's going to be Marshall's. We're going to go see what they have as far as like a table, maybe some spring stuff. Let's go see what they got. They do have furniture in here. Okay, and the shoes. Let's go check out the shoes first. We're getting closer to my size. Let's see. 7. Here we go. Let's see what they got. Those are cute for dressy, but I really want black, I think. All right, see, I ain't feeling those, but something like that. Yeah, I like those. I love those, but I wish they were in black because that's what I need. Okay, I don't think they have anything. How cute are these chairs right here? I love these. $59. They're so cute. Let's see what they have here. Too big, too big, too big. I just need like a small round. That is perfect. This is what I'm looking. I mean, I do like this one, but I'm feeling like $40 and it's already scratched. I don't know. I think I'm gonna wait. Trying to see if anything speaks. Oh my gosh, I do like this. And you put a candle. Okay. I've actually seen these and I have been wanting to get one. Don't know if green's gonna go in the house, but it definitely will go in the bedroom because I got them new pillows. This one's cute too, and that would definitely go anywhere. But I really like that for some reason. I do. Those are cute little lamps. I don't know if I need any more, but they're so cute. They're so small. I love that. The one I was talking about is so cute. Look. I would never probably use that color, but I love that. That will look good sitting like on the kitchen counter just to light up the counter area. I don't know if I'd say springtime, but I guess, yeah, I guess you can count this as some spring stuff. They just don't have a lot. Kind of disappointing, I guess, but it's all good. I would like to get a flower pot for the front porch to put some flowers in. I do like this one. Which is that one? Oh, it's so heavy. There's no price. What if I just set it down and completely shattered that glass? Could y'all imagine? Oh, there we go. Oh, wow. I'm gonna go $14.99. Okay, it's been rubbed off, but that one's cute. I do have some wreaths. I never bought one for the front door, but honestly, I'm not seeing anything I care for here. I mean, that one's not horrible, I guess, but not like the other ones I found. They have a bunch more. They have more. I thought that was the only one they had. They do have some more. I do like these pens. I don't need any more. I need highlighters. That's what I really need. Oh, it's a journal. These are cute, y'all. Love the like designs and stuff. Another journal. I don't think it would go in my kitchen, but I like the look of it anyway. And I love like the blue and white plates like this with the designs and stuff. Cute. If you need some little mugs, they have ones with initials and without. Oh, they're pretty. They have this little tiny thing of Easter stuff, but not much all. Not much at all. Got some more little mugs. That one's cute. I like that one. Ooh, I like the one with the pink flowers. At checkout, they do have these little serving trays for Easter. I did end up purchasing the lamp. I did buy that. So I'll show you guys that again once we get home at some point today. But the thing is with the lamp, I have no idea where I'm putting it, but it is waterproof, so it can go anywhere. So I don't know, I kind of feeling like the kitchen counter, but then again, I don't know if I have room on the counter. I'm like thinking in my head, where can it go? I don't know, but stay tuned. I'll show you everything I buy, which so far has not been a lot. Just saying. Okay, they have this little section right here. That's kind of cute, but I don't need another candy dish. I don't need any baskets. Got a salt and pepper shaker, yeah. More baskets. Oh, by the way, we're at Ross. Did I say that? I think I did. They don't have anything hardly at all. This store kind of gives me a little bit of anxiety. I don't know why. Oh, that's pretty. I like this. Let's see. I'm gonna see if they got any little tables. They got the warmers here, and they're cheaper, $19.99. It's not bad. But then again, like I said, you have to buy the warmer, then you got to buy the candles. I mean, you have about 40 bucks into it before you're done. It seems anyway. This is their little furniture section, but it looks like all they got is like that round table right here, and that one over there, that little black one, and then they got these, but I really want round. They also got like square right there, but that's about it. Will I have any luck with shoes? Probably not. Let's see what we find. Too casual. Okay, way too small, but they're not bad. But see, I like those. Yes, I want these in black. And am I wearing Guess? Yes, I have on Guess right now. Still looking that brand. They were not my size, so we're in my section now. Let's see. I don't even see those other shoes. They have these. They're not my size. No. Yeah, 5.5. Okay. No luck on shoes. No luck. I'm gonna look online. They've got to sell these shoes online somewhere. So I'll show you the one thing I bought. Literally, I'll show you when I get settled. Hello, friends. So I am home and I am preparing dinner. And we are having some chicken that I cooked in the crock pot. And we're also having riced cauliflower. I'm gonna put a few green peas in it. We'll see how they like it. I think I'm gonna love it. And then some broccoli. But I didn't end the vlog, so I wanted to end it by telling you guys and showing you guys my one lonely purchase that I made. This is the lamp I purchased right here. And I've been letting it charge pretty much all day. The charger just plugs into the bottom right there. And the light has not turned color, red to green, or either just turn off, but the light's still on. But I'm pretty sure it's charged. It's been charging forever. So we're gonna unplug it and then I'm gonna place it here and show you guys. It is really short. This would be great for the bathroom, agree? But I want it in here, and I know it's small, but I just think it's so cute. I did rearrange. I put the toaster here, air fryer here. Yes, the front is missing because I'm washing it. And I just think it made the kitchen counter look a little better. I don't know, it's just my opinion. But let's unplug this. Unplug it, and then do that. Right here in the corner. Is that not so cute? It goes, this is probably my favorite. It also does a cool white if you're into that. It also does the LED and then off. I think the first one's my favorite, and that's probably the one I'm gonna set it on. The only other thing that I did purchase is I got some like grass from Hobby Lobby to go in the Easter baskets. So nothing too exciting, but I am loving the way that looks. I think it looks really cute in that corner one more time. We'll let you guys look at it. Isn't that cute? I think it's cute. It has a little bit of light over there. And I got tired of the air fryer here because honestly, if y'all could have seen the amount of like grease or whatever I cleaned off of this and the back of this and the counter. Holy cow. I like it here also, you can reach it so much easier. I do love our air fryer. We do use it a lot. I'm not getting rid of it, but I do like this lamp better in the corner than the air fryer. That is all I have for this Home with Tracy video. I hope you enjoyed the shopping that we did together. It wasn't a lot. I was so expecting to go into that, like, and finding all these cool spring finds, and I feel like I came out with nothing. I mean, I wouldn't necessarily say that's a spring find, but they didn't really have anything. I saw nothing that grabbed my attention. I really didn't. But we went shopping anyway. We had a good time doing it, right? Sometimes you go shopping and you come out a win and find tons of stuff. Sometimes you go shopping and you leave empty-handed. I didn't leave completely empty-handed, but enough to where I don't even feel like I had a haul for you guys. Just one lonely item. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. It helps the channel out. Also, make sure you subscribe and share the video if you feel like it, and comment down below so we can chit chat in the comment section. And I'll see you guys in my next video.